The Davis-Bacon Act, passed by Congress in 1931, requires private contractors to pay prevailing wages to employees on all federally funded construction projects over $2,000. 30 compliance regulations must be adhered to for every check. Stiff fines and jail time can result if payroll checks are not in compliance. Doing payroll by hand every week is time-consuming, costly, and risky. However, there is a way to reduce your compliance risk to zero. The Compliant Client System by EMARS. The system is easy to install and use. It provides immediate visibility, concurrent and in real time, of all payroll records of the sub, prime, plus the owner agency. All screens are printable, all information is encrypted, plus every submitted payroll is audited online against the wage determination and all compliance issues of the Davis-Bacon and related acts. Compliant Client requires a PC and less than 30 minutes of training. Most payrolls are prepared in less than 5 minutes. Compared to paper and pencil preparation, the EMARS system represents an 80% productivity improvement, plus instant recognition of payroll errors that prompt the user how to solve the problems.